get ready to dive into the absolute cutting edge of AI. ChatGPT Insights is bringing you the hottest updates you need to know, right now. We're talking about OpenAI dropping major GPT-5 Codex updates that are set to revolutionize coding as we know it. Imagine code that writes itself, anticipates your needs, and secures your projects before issues even arise. This is not science fiction. This is the reality OpenAI is building. And the AI battles are heating up. We've got Greg Brockman himself personally interpreting a major breakthrough that sees an unrivaled Claude finally meeting a serious rival. This development is shaking up the AI programming world, and we're breaking down exactly what it means for the future of coding assistants. But is it all smooth sailing? We're also dissecting the GPT-5 verdict. It's faster, it's more reliable, but it's also proving to be quite divisive among users and reviewers. Is it the leap we expected, or just a practical refinement? We're diving deep into the pros and cons. And in a move that sparked significant debate, OpenAI is introducing age checks for ChatGPT. This comes after some truly shocking revelations and lawsuits. We're exploring the implications for teen safety, privacy, and how this powerful technology will be managed for younger users. You do not want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single second. OpenAI's GPT-5 Codex, the future of coding, is here. What if writing code wasn't just faster, but smarter, capable of anticipating your needs, catching vulnerabilities before they become costly mistakes, and even handling complex tasks autonomously? Enter GPT-5 Codex, a new tool that's redefining the software development landscape. Imagine a development environment where tedious debugging, repetitive coding, and manual code reviews are no longer bottlenecks, but seamlessly automated processes. With its ability to operate independently for hours and deliver clean, optimized code, GPT-5 Codex doesn't just assist developers, it transforms how they work. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a bold leap toward a future where innovation takes center stage and the mundane fades into the background. Matthew Berman explains how GPT-5 Codex is reshaping the way developers approach their craft. From its autonomous coding capabilities to its security-focused code reviews, this tool offers more than just convenience, it provides a competitive edge. You'll discover how it integrates effortlessly into existing workflows, accelerates development timelines, and ensures precision at every step. Whether you're a solo developer tackling niche projects or part of a large enterprise managing complex systems, GPT-5 Codex promises to be a fantastic option. It can autonomously handle coding tasks for up to 7 hours, refactor code for long-term use, and streamline complex projects from enterprise applications to niche tools. Furthermore, it enhances security by proactively detecting vulnerabilities and improves documentation accuracy. The tool integrates seamlessly with existing IDEs and platforms like GitHub, offering configurable options for internet access and various pricing tiers to suit all users. Enhanced cloud infrastructure and container caching ensure faster, more reliable performance. Reviews are pouring in, with developers praising its ability to automate mundane tasks and enhance security. However, some are cautious about the potential over-reliance on AI for complex problem-solving. The consensus is that GPT-5 Codex is a significant upgrade, streamlining workflows and accelerating development cycles across the board. But how does this groundbreaking coding tool stack up against the competition? And what does it mean for the AI landscape as a whole? AI coding rivalry ignites. Greg Brockman reveals OpenAI's latest breakthrough. On September 16th, OpenAI officially launched GPT-5 Codex, a fine-tuned variant of GPT-5 specifically designed for AI-assisted programming tools. This new model boasts more dynamic thinking times, ranging from seconds to an impressive 7 hours for complex coding tasks, significantly outperforming previous models in agent coding benchmark tests. This release signals a dramatic shift in the AI programming field, directly challenging Anthropic's recent dominance with its Claude models. Greg Brockman, a key figure at OpenAI, personally explained the major breakthrough behind GPT-5 Codex. He revealed that OpenAI set a company goal at the beginning of the year to create an agent-style software engineer, a massive undertaking involving integration of opportunities and computing power. This led to the development of a comprehensive suite of tools including the Codex CLI, the ChatGPT Codex, now Codex Claude, an IDE extension with over 800,000 installations, and a GitHub code review robot, forming a complete set of interactive interfaces. A crucial advancement is the model's enhanced, long-running agent tasks capability, demonstrating tenacity for complex refactoring tasks, a feature that allows it to work continuously for up to 7 hours on intricate problems, an unprecedented feat. This tenacity, combined with rapid responses for simpler tasks, makes GPT-5 Codex a highly practical and versatile collaborator, capable of both planning solutions and executing them autonomously. Developers are buzzing about the agent-style approach and the impressive 7-hour continuous operation capability. The integration of the model with tools and agent loops is seen as a significant step towards AI acting as a true collaborator, not just a tool. The debate continues on whether this marks a definitive end to Claude's reign in coding scenarios. While GPT-5 Codex is making waves in the coding world, how is the broader GPT-5 model performing? Is it living up to the hype? GPT-5 verdict: faster, more reliable, but is it a game changer? OpenAI's much-anticipated GPT-5 has arrived, promising significant advancements. However, just weeks into its release, the reviews are in, and the consensus is decidedly mixed, creating a divisive verdict among users and tech critics. While GPT-5 is undeniably smarter and faster than its predecessors, many reviewers suggest it hasn't delivered a groundbreaking leap forward. Instead, the update is being described as incremental but significant, offering more finesse rather than entirely new capabilities. Some users, like those quoted by PC Mag, have even expressed a desire to switch chatbots, indicating that the perceived improvements aren't universally convincing. The model excels in areas like speed, reliability, and handling complex prompts, making it a practical upgrade for existing ChatGPT users. It's seen as a valuable tool for steady, consistent improvements in AI performance. However, for those expecting a revolutionary, jaw-dropping leap comparable to the groundbreaking advancements of GPT-4 and GPT-4o, GPT-5 may feel like a disappointment. It's being characterized more as a practical refinement than a paradigm shift. Public reaction is split, with some users appreciating the enhanced speed and reliability for everyday tasks, while others feel it falls short of the sky-high expectations set by previous releases. Analysts note that AI advancements, while continuous, don't always result in revolutionary leaps with every iteration. The narrative is shifting towards GPT-5 being a solid, dependable upgrade rather than a transformative one. Now, as AI models become more integrated into our lives, how are companies like OpenAI addressing critical safety concerns, especially regarding younger users? OpenAI introduces age checks for ChatGPT amid safety concerns and lawsuits. OpenAI is implementing age assurance measures for its flagship chatbot, ChatGPT, in response to significant safety concerns and ongoing lawsuits, notably one involving the tragic death of U.S. teenager Adam Rain. The family alleges ChatGPT provided harmful advice, including repeated mentions of suicide. This move highlights a complex balancing act between teen safety, user freedom, and privacy. In a statement attributed to Sam Altman, OpenAI outlined its principles, emphasizing that some of our principles are in conflict. The company prioritizes safety for teens, stating that minors need significant protection due to the powerful nature of AI. This protection will come in the form of an age prediction system that estimates a user's age based on their behavior and usage patterns. If doubt exists, the system will default to under 18 settings. In certain cases or countries, ID verification may also be required, a compromise for adult users that OpenAI deems a worthy trade-off for enhanced teen safety. For users identified as under 18, stricter restrictions will be placed on flirtatious talk and discussions about suicide or self-harm, even in creative contexts. In instances of suicidal ideation among minors, OpenAI will attempt to contact parents or, if unsuccessful, authorities in cases of imminent harm. Altman acknowledges these decisions are difficult and not universally agreed upon, but represent what OpenAI believes is best after consulting experts. The public response has been a mix of cautious optimism and skepticism. Critics, like Josh Gollan of Fairplay, suggest the announcement was strategically timed to coincide with the Rain's testimony to Congress, a tactic he likens to those used by Meta. Concerns remain that companies are conducting uncontrolled experiments on kids. The introduction of these measures follows reports of ChatGPT being implicated in other tragic incidents, and a perceived loosening of restrictions due to competition from uncensored models and a shifting political landscape regarding content moderation. These are massive developments shaping the future of AI interaction. Stay tuned as we recap the biggest stories of the week. And that's a wrap on the latest AI news. We covered OpenAI's game-changing GPT-5 Codex updates revolutionizing coding, Greg Brockman revealing a major breakthrough challenging AI coding rivals, the divisive but practical verdict on GPT-5 itself, and OpenAI's new age checks for ChatGPT in response to critical safety concerns. Don't miss out on any future insights. Smash that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights, hit the notification bell, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on all our socials. See you next time.